Hi! I see you're about to become smarter. This video will help you to improve your English language skills. So let's begin.
Superior. Superior. Superior means higher in rank or quality. For example, a superior officer. A superior officer. Synonyms: higher ranking, higher level, senior. Supportive. Supportive. Supportive means providing encouragement or emotional help. For example, the staff are extremely supportive of each other. The staff are extremely supportive of each other. Synonyms: encouraging, caring, sympathetic. Supreme. Supreme. Supreme means superior to all others. For example, a unified force with a supreme commander. A unified force with a supreme commander. Synonyms: highest ranking, highest, leading. Surgical. Surgical. Surgical means relating to or used in surgery. For example, a surgical dressing. A surgical dressing. Suspicious. Suspicious. Suspicious means having or showing cautious distrust of person or thing. For example, he was suspicious of her motives. He was suspicious of her motives. Synonyms: doubtful, unsure, dubious. Systematic. Systematic. Systematic means done or acting according to fixed plan or system. For example, a systematic search of the whole city. A systematic search of the whole city. Synonyms: structured, methodical, organized. Tender. Tender. Tender means showing gentleness and affection. For example, he was being so kind and tender. He was being so kind and tender. Synonyms: caring, kind, kindly. Terminal. Terminal. Terminal means forming or situated at end or extremity of something. For example, a terminal date. A terminal date. Synonyms: end, extreme, final. Theatrical. Theatrical. Theatrical means relating to acting, actors, or theater. For example, theatrical productions. Theatrical productions. Synonyms: stage, dramatic, thespian. Theoretical. Theoretical. Theoretical means concerned with or involving theory of subject or area of study rather than its practical application. For example, a theoretical physicist. A theoretical physicist. Synonyms: not practical, conceptual, abstract. Thoughtful. Thoughtful. Thoughtful means absorbed in or involving thought. For example, brows drawn together in thoughtful consideration. Brows drawn together in thoughtful consideration. Synonyms: pensive, thinking, reflective. Timely. Timely. Timely means done or occurring at favorable or useful time. For example, a timely warning. A timely warning. Synonyms: opportune, well-timed, at the right time. Toxic. Toxic. Toxic means poisonous. For example, the dumping of toxic waste. The dumping of toxic waste. Synonyms: poisonous, venomous, virulent. Transparent. Transparent. Transparent means allowing light to pass through so that objects behind can be distinctly seen. For example, transparent blue water. Transparent blue water. Synonyms: see-through, clear, translucent. Tremendous. Tremendous. Tremendous means very great in amount or intensity. For example, Penny put in a tremendous amount of time. Penny put in a tremendous amount of time. Synonyms: very great, huge, enormous. Troubled. Troubled. Troubled means beset by problems or difficulties. For example, his troubled private life. His troubled private life. Synonyms: difficult, problematic, full of problems. Unprecedented. Unprecedented. Unprecedented means never done or known before. For example, the emphasis has been on shaping bold solutions to save lives and livelihoods in these unprecedented times. The emphasis has been on shaping bold solutions to save lives and livelihoods in these unprecedented times. Synonyms: unparalleled, unequaled, unmatched. Upcoming. Upcoming. Upcoming means about to happen. For example, the upcoming election. The upcoming election. Synonyms: approaching, advancing, coming. Vague. Vague. Vague means of uncertain, indefinite, or unclear character. For example, many patients suffer vague symptoms. Many patients suffer vague symptoms. Synonyms: indistinct, indefinite, indeterminate. Variable. Variable. Variable means not consistent or having fixed pattern. For example, the quality of hospital food is highly variable. The quality of hospital food is highly variable. Synonyms: changeable, changing, varying.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.